So the instructions for step number 3 reads as follows. It says that we need to merge and center the title across the range A1 to H1 and then apply the title cell style. Okay, then after doing that, we are supposed to merge and center the subtitle across the range A2 to H2. Okay, and then apply the heading 1 cell style. Okay, let us go back to our working document. Okay, this is our working document. So this is the title, this is the subtitle. Okay, so just highlight the part of the row 1 from A1 to what, to H1. Okay, to highlight, you press and hold and then you drag or you move your cursor to the last column. Okay, in this case to column H. Okay, so we did that, and then after doing that, they said we need to merge and center. So when they say merge and center, you're looking for this icon here. It actually tells you merge and center. Okay, click on it. Okay, you'll see your title has now been centered and those cells have been merged into one cell. Okay, they also told us that we need to change the cell style. To change the cell style, you're looking for this icon here. Okay, click on the drop down menu. It will give you options. They said we need to use the title style. Okay, click on this one here. Okay, you're done with the first part of the instruction. The second part of the instruction told us that we need to merge and center part of the row from what, A1, A2, I mean, to H2. Okay, this is the subtitle. Do the same thing, merge and center. Go to your style. This time we're looking for H1. You click on H1, and then you're basically done with what? With step number 3. Okay, then keep on saving your document. Okay.